OMG Monad, it's Monad launch time. The mainnet is going live. The TGE is happening. I will do a really quick rundown about everything that you need to know in regards to the TGE. I will also do a live stream later on Abstract, go through several dApps. So I will link the Abstract live stream down in the comments. I will also put this over here so you can see this. So in the Abstract portal, you will see this here. You can go with this link here, this one, but I will also put it in the comments. But now the most important stuff, it's going live in a couple of minutes actually after uploading this video. So let's dive in. This will not be a claim because if you followed my previous videos, you already know that you needed to enter the wallet that you want to receive your rewards in. So everything that you need to do is, first of all, go through the official channels. As always, double, triple, quadruple check if you're on the correct links, because scammers are out there trying to get your sweet crypto. This is the official website, monad.xyz. Always make sure you're on the correct site. And then you can see this here. The sale happened already. But what's most important is you need to go to app.monad.xyz. It looks like this for now because it's not live yet, but we can see in the trailer here how it will look like. Let me mute that and then scroll through here. You will have a swap here and you will also have the AppHub. You will see a rewards campaign where you can do different things. We can see here Stargate and so on. We see some decentralized exchanges here like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Kuro and others. And under the AppHub, you will see other dApps as well. What's the fastest way to actually change your MON to USDC? For example, some of the DEXes, for example, we have dBridge where you could directly swap it to Solana because Monad will be live on Solana as well. But for example, for PancakeSwap, you can already change the network to Monad and already pre-select this here. As you can see here, I don't have any MON yet because Mainnet is launching in roughly 30 minutes from recording this video. So this video will probably go live around the time the Mainnet launches. And then I already pre-selected USDC on Monad. And then you have some slippage settings here. Always make sure that they are not too high. And then you can actually go in and swap through PancakeSwap or bridge to Solana and so on. So you have different opportunities here or different options to actually do the swap if you want to go directly from MON to USDC, if you want to secure your airdrop. And as I said, it's a real airdrop. You get this in your wallet, the wallet that you entered in the claim portal, and you don't need to do anything. It should show up once the mainnet goes live. Now, this is for everyone that wants to sell their airdrop directly. Let me know if you do this. Uniswap, for example, works as well. And we got a few posts here from them. For example, the Monad Day 1 consumer apps. I don't want to go into detail here. You can go through those different guides. For example, the on-chain trading guide, the DeFi guide. There's a couple of guides from them. And the most important thing is you can access the Monad portal under app.monad.xyz. Make sure you're on the correct URL. Always go through the official channels. Make sure you're on the Monad Mainnet, switch your wallet accordingly, and then use one of the official DEXes that you know. For example, if you know Uniswap or PancakeSwap, just use those if you're used to them. And then let me know if you're selling your MON or not, maybe just a part of it. Let me know in the comments. And that being said, I will definitely do the live stream as I said and stream it on Abstract. I will go through the different guides that we have here. For example, this one from Juicy is really good, but also the official ones that I just showed you here with the with the consumer app guide, with the DeFi guide, the trading guide, and so on. So if you want to hang out and ask your questions around Monad, I will hang out and do a live stream on Abstract, completely focusing on Monad, going through the different dApps and everything. So come and say hi. And that all being said, thank you so much for watching. The link to the live stream will be down in the comments. So if you're watching this here right after the mainnet launches, chances are pretty high that I'm live on the Abstract portal. So see you around, and if not, have fun on Monad Mainnet. There will be plenty of opportunities, and we're gonna dive into some of those in live stream. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.